Okay, so I'm just going downstairs because I keep hearing a noise. And it's like this rumbling noise.
For the last 6 months, we've had a history display here in our lobby about.
I don't know what it is. And it's not outside, I swear it's like in my house.
It was very common for gay bars to be raided by the police. On June 28, 1969, New York City police raided a gay bar in Greenwich Village called the Stonewall. This particular night, the people at the Stonewall decided no more. And so it was released into a riot. 1 year later, on the anniversary of the Stonewall riots, activists in New York as well as in Los Angeles.
These stuffed animals are my baby sisters. Why is this such a mess? What? I just cleaned all this up. There's nothing in here. I swear it's in my house. Like, it's not storming outside or anything. I mean, it's scalding hot outside. Like, look at it outside. Oh, crap. It's like,
Such as marriage equality, such as great civil rights protections here in Colorado. However, we have to remember that
this is so weird. This video is just me going around my house trying to figure out what that noise is. I was even playing with my friend Ryan on PlayStation and I heard it, but I ignored it and now it's just like super loud. What was that? Joey. Was it you? Joseph? No, you're just lying there. Who's a good boy?
Can you make it a little cooler in here? I'm setting the temperature to 68 degrees.
What is this noise? Like, what in the world? Alright, I'll keep you guys updated, but see you guys later. Bye.